Welcome to the Animal Crochet Academy. In this video, you'll be learning how to make a double crochet and double crochet increase. This stitch is 2 times taller than a single crochet, so let's get started. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch from the hook. Yarn over, and pull it through the stitch. You should have 3 loops on the hook. Adjust the size of these 3 loops. Yarn over, and pull it through the first 2 loops. There should only be 2 loops remaining on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining loops. Great job! You just created your first double crochet. Let's make another one. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull it through the stitch. You should have 3 loops on the hook. Adjust the size of these 3 loops so that we can yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. You should only have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining loops. Let's create a couple more to complete this pattern. Now let me show you how to count double crochets. Since double crochets are tall stitches, it's easier to count the bars, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's learn about double crochet increase. If your pattern asks to increase the number of double crochet, you make a double crochet increase. First, double crochet into the next stitch. Then, yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull it through. You should have 3 loops on the hook. Adjust the size of these 3 loops. Yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. You should have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Great job! You have 2 double crochets on top of 1.